In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Crystal Chest in Stick War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow step by step. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find the Crystal Chests and how to open them. So, on the home screen of the game, all that you have to do is tap on this little chest icon. You will then see the current chests that you have. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you will then find Get Chests. So you can go here and you will be able to browse through all of the items. So usually this shop is going to sell you diamonds. However, if you keep going all the way to the right, you will be able to find chests. And as you can clearly notice at the right side of the screen, they offer 10 chests, or rather 10 crystal chests. The price will be displayed in your local currency, and all that you have to do here is tap on the crystal chest or the price, and you will be able to finish placing this order. You will have to buy them through the Google Play Store or the App Store. Choose any of the available payment methods and you will be able to acquire your chests. You can also consider buying wooden chests or golden chests. All of them are sold in bundles of 10 and this is all you have to do. Now, if you chose to buy diamonds instead, you can go over here all the way to the left and you can purchase bundles. These don't include chests. However, I did want to highlight this option since we are already in the shop. So this is all you have to do. Immediately upon acquiring the chests, this is the window where you will be able to open them. And unfortunately, I cannot display this process on screen. And another thing to consider using diamonds on is speeding up the progression. If you tap any of the cards that you still have to unlock, you will be able to skip the unlock by using 25 diamonds, at least for these initial ones. This one, for example, costs 50, but this is all you have to do. Choose any of the progression cards and you will see how much it costs to skip them. But to answer the question in the title of this video about how to get crystal chests specifically, this is all you have to do. They're always available in the shop and you will be able to get them from here. So just purchase them on your local currency through the Google Play Store or the App Store. I hope I was able to help you on how to get crystal chest in Stick War 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.